Hello and welcome to Nutri-instinct. I am Ghee, a health coach and healthy cooking enthusiast. Today I am going to make Badam Ka Halwa a very simple way. Halwa is somewhat like pudding in texture and taste. In one thick bottom vessel, take coarsely ground chickpea flour and coconut oil. Before starting the heat, mix both of these ingredients well with your hands. This step will help us make this recipe with very little oil or ghee. Now we will roast this on medium to low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure you stir the mixture constantly on low to medium heat, and while stirring, try to break down the clots of the flour like so. After about 5 to 7 minutes of roasting the flour, it should look like this. Then you add the almond flour. Almond flour does not take longer to get roasted, but it sticks to the bottom very fast. So stir constantly and keep the heat low when you are using almond flour in your recipe. After 3 to 4 minutes of roasting this mixture, add either water or almond milk. Here I have used the almond milk made with my own recipe. I have listed the link underneath this video. Once you add almond milk, mix everything very well and add finely chopped dates or date paste. Fiber-loaded dates instead of sugar helps to slow down sugar absorption. Unlike dates, simple sugar consumption can raise our blood sugar high and fast, which can lead to weight gain and many lifestyle-related ailments. Now we will cook this halwa for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame and with covered lid. If the mixture is very dry, then add some more water or almond milk before covering the lid. In the end, we will add some cardamom powder for flavoring and mix everything very well. Now you can see the halwa is not sticking to the vessel. That means our Badam Ka Halwa is ready to serve. Garnish it with sliced almonds and serve hot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to Nutri-instinct. Wishing you a happy and healthy cooking.